welcome to Persian Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very delicious Persian strawberry jam. Ingredients are organic strawberry, organic cane sugar, and lemon if you're deciding to preserve the jam, but if you're going to consume it within a week or so, you do not really need to add any lemon juice. First step is to cut the stem, making sure it's all good clean. I already soaked and washed the strawberries 3 times to make sure there is no sand, no residue, and it's all clean. And when you touch the surface, you can feel that it's all clean. Then for every strawberry, we're just going to cut it in half and put it in a pot. The best thing about a homemade strawberry jam is there is no unknown ingredients, there is no corn syrup, there is no bad sugar. Everything is just very easy, simple, and straightforward. And sometimes when you read the ingredients on a jam, you can see high fructose corn syrup or natural flavor. There is nothing natural about high fructose corn syrup or natural flavor. Is all genetically modified and they are artificial. So just make this at home. It doesn't take much time. It's much faster, much healthier, and it's good for you. I added 2 cups of sugar for 2 pounds of strawberries. That's sweet enough for me, but if you like it sweeter, you can add more sugar to it. And after you add the sugar, you leave the strawberry and sugar, you put the lid on, and that way the juice of the strawberry starts coming out. And then after you see the juice is out, then you can just put it on a low temperature and cook it. I have the sugar and the strawberries together for half an hour. As you can see, the juice of the strawberry is oozing out, and at this point I am going to turn on the heat, and after it's hot enough, then I'm going to turn it to a lower temperature and let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. Then we have a beautiful strawberry jam. As you can see, all this juice is from the strawberries and sugar, and I let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes, and I take it off the heat. I let it cool down, and then you can put it in a jar and eat it with your breakfast. Our jam is ready. I let it cool down, and then we're just going to put it in another bowl. Is ready to be served for breakfast or brunch, and is beautiful. So there is going to be a lot of juice left in the pot. What you can do with the juice is you can actually mix it with water or soda and have a healthy homemade drink. It's just absolutely easy, gorgeous. I hope you make it, you like it. And thank you so much for watching my videos. Bon appetit, Nushe John. I love you all. And till next time.